When it comes to money, making smart choices today can set you up for a worry-free tomorrow. The world of finance might seem tricky, but there are ways to invest your money that can help secure your future. In this guide, we'll walk through 4 clever investments that can give you peace of mind about your finances down the road. Whether you're just starting or looking to grow what you have, these strategies can pave the way for a stable and secure financial future. So let's begin. Number 1. Stock market investment. Talking about securing your financial future in a way that's not just smart, but also pretty darn exciting. Investing in the stock market could be a game changer. It's like owning a piece of your favorite companies and potentially seeing your money grow over time. So what's the deal with the stock market? Well, it's a place where you can buy shares of companies that are listed publicly. You know those big names you see everywhere? Yep, those. When you invest in their stocks, you become a shareholder, which means you own a small part of that company. And here's the exciting part. If the company does well, the value of your shares can go up, giving you some sweet returns on your investment. But wait, there's more. Investing in the stock market isn't just about putting all your eggs in one basket. Nope, it's smarter to spread the risk around. That's where diversification comes in. Instead of investing all your money in just one company or industry, you spread it out across different types of companies and sectors. That way, if one area isn't doing so hot, your other investments might be picking up the slack. It's like having a mix of your favorite foods on a buffet. You get to enjoy different flavors and minimize the risk of not liking one dish. Now, here's the secret sauce: research and understanding. Before jumping in, it's important to do your homework. Get to know the companies you're interested in. What do they do? How's their track record? What's their potential for growth? Keeping an eye on market trends is like checking the weather before a big day out. It helps you prepare for what's coming and make smarter decisions. And here's a tip that's like a golden rule in the world of investing. Think long term. The stock market can be a bit like a roller coaster sometimes. Lots of ups and downs. But if you buckle up for the long ride and keep your focus on the future, those short-term bumps won't shake you as much. It's like planting a tree and watching it grow. You gotta give it time to bear fruit. Number 2, real estate. Securing a rock-solid financial future is like laying the groundwork for your dream house. It takes smart choices and a sturdy foundation. And speaking of foundations, let's talk real estate. It's like the hero of investments, offering a double whammy of benefits that can put a huge smile on your face. Imagine this. You invest in a property that could be a cozy home or a bustling office space. Now here's where the magic kicks in. First up, you start raking in that rental income. Yup, those sweet, consistent payments from your tenants. It's like having a money tree in your backyard that just keeps on giving. But wait, there's more. Real estate has this awesome power called appreciation. Translation: your property tends to grow in value over time. So, while you're chilling and sipping your favorite brew, your property is silently becoming more valuable. It's like watching your piggy bank swell up without even trying. Now, let's not kid ourselves. Real estate isn't all sunshine and rainbows. It's like a high-stakes game that requires some serious initial moolah. We're talking about a good chunk of change up front. And hey, managing property? It's no walk in the park. It's like having a pet. It needs care, attention, and sometimes a little TLC. Plus, to play the real estate game, you gotta know the market. It's like knowing the secret codes to unlock a treasure chest. Understanding when to buy, sell, or hold on to your property is crucial. It's like being the maestro conducting an orchestra. Timing is everything. But hey, here's the lowdown. If you're up for the challenge and can swing that initial investment, real estate could be your golden ticket. It's like having a trusty sidekick in your financial journey, keeping you company and boosting your wealth along the way. The scoop on real estate investments. It's not just about buying property. It's about diving into a world of income streams and potential value hikes. But remember, it's not all glitter and unicorns. It's a commitment that demands your attention and a good dose of market savvy. So if you're ready to roll up your sleeves and play the game, real estate could be your ticket to a worry-free financial future. Think of it as building blocks. Each property you invest in is like adding another floor to your money-making skyscraper. It's a journey, an adventure, and with the right moves, it could be your path to financial freedom. Number 3, cryptocurrency. Ever thought about diving into the wild world of cryptocurrencies? You've probably heard of Bitcoin and Ethereum, the cool kids on the investment block. They're like those flashy roller coasters at an amusement park. Thrilling and enticing, and a bit stomach-churning. Let's start with the good stuff. Cryptos have this magical ability to potentially beef up your bank account in no time. Imagine throwing in some cash and seeing it skyrocket. That's the dream, right? And hey, they can jazz up your investment portfolio, like adding different colors to a painting. Spice it up and diversify a bit. But hold up a second. Before you're sold on the idea of buying into the crypto craze, there's a roller coaster flip side. Picture this. One moment you're feeling like a financial wizard. The next, well, not so much. Cryptos are like that high-energy friend who's a blast to hang out with but unpredictable as heck. Why? Well, they're like the rebels of the finance world. No strict rules, no playbook to follow. Does that mean their prices? Yeah, they're on a wild roller coaster ride, up, down, loop-de-loop. So while you could be eyeing a jackpot, you could also face a heart-in-your-throat, stomach-churning drop. Here's the real kicker. Regulatory stuff. Yeah, the big guys in suits are making decisions that could send the crypto market on a roller coaster loop of its own. Regulations can swoop in and shake things up, leaving investors scrambling to keep up. That's not all. Market vibes play a huge role too. Ever seen a stormy sea? That's how crazy the crypto market can get. It reacts to the slightest winds of news, tweets, or even a sneeze from a big-shot investor. Investing in cryptos isn't for the faint-hearted. It's like strapping in for the ride of your life, knowing there might be twists and turns you never saw coming. But hey, for some, the thrill is worth it. Bottom line, if you're ready to throw caution to the wind and handle the crazy ride, cryptocurrencies could be your ticket to a financial adventure. Just remember, it's not for the worrywarts or those who like their investments steady as a rock. So before you jump on the crypto train, make sure you've got your financial seatbelt on. Be prepared for the wild ride, the highs, the lows, and the loop-de-loops. Number 4, education. Planning for a stress-free financial future is like building a sturdy house. It starts with laying a solid foundation, and guess what? Investing in education is your cornerstone. Picture this. Whether it's bagging formal degrees, snagging certifications, or just beefing up your skill set, education is your ticket to boosting how much dough you rake in. Let's break it down. Imagine you've got a toolbox of skills and knowledge. As you add more tools, your box gets heavier, right? Well, think of your brain as that toolbox. Each time you learn something new, you're tossing in a shiny new tool. And here's the kicker. The heavier that box gets, the more valuable it becomes. Here's the secret sauce. Continuous learning. It's like giving your brain a turbo boost. You're not just adding tools, you're upgrading them too. You know what that means? Better career opportunities and wait for it, cha-ching, a bigger paycheck. Now hold your horses, because we're not just talking short-term wins here. Nah, we're playing the long game. When you keep polishing those skills and stacking up those qualifications, you're creating a financial fortress for yourself. That's right, fortress. A place where worries about bills or unexpected expenses barely get a foot in the door. Think about it. That promotion at work or that side hustle you've been eyeing, they're within arm's reach when you've got the skills to back it up. And as you climb up that career ladder, hello, financial security. You'll be strutting down the street with that confidence, knowing you've got your bases covered. Now here's where it gets juicy. Investing in education isn't just about stuffing your brain with fancy knowledge. Nope. It's a golden ticket that opens doors to opportunities you didn't even know existed. You could be switching careers, diving into new industries, or even starting your gig. The world becomes your oyster when you've got the right education under your belt. Let's talk money. Sure, investing in education might mean spending a bit up front, but think of it as planting seeds in a garden. You water them, nurture them, and before you know it, bam! You're harvesting a crop of opportunities. That initial investment, it's a drop in the ocean compared to the returns you'll be reeling in down the line. Oh, and get this. Education isn't just about formal degrees. Certifications, workshops, online courses, they're all part of the game. You can pick and choose what suits you best. Heck, you could be mastering coding one day and perfecting your marketing skills the next. The world's your classroom now, and you've got a front row seat. So investing comes with its own set of risks and rewards. Think of it like picking different flavors of ice cream. Some are riskier, but might give bigger rewards, while others are safer, but might not have that same punch. The trick is mixing them up to match what you want. Your money goals, how much risk you're comfortable with, and how long you're planning to keep things brewing. Those are the key ingredients. Like a recipe for a good dish. Do you think these smart investments complete the puzzle for a worry-free financial future? Comment below.